Madam President.
The junior senator from Louisiana.
Madam President, I ask unanimous consent that there be up to 6 minutes of debate equally divided prior to the scheduled roll call vote.
Without objection.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I call up my amendment 1354 and ask that it be reported by number.
The Senate will be in order. The clerk will report by number.
Senator from Louisiana, Mr. Kennedy, proposes amendment number 1354 to amendment number 1092.
Madam President, before I explain my amendment, I would like to yield 30 seconds to my good friend Senator Tester.
Madam President, I rise in support of the Kennedy Amendment, in support of Second Amendment rights for veterans in Montana and across this country. It is not right that a D.C. bureaucrat at the VA can take away a veteran's legal right to their firearms simply because they need assistance managing their finances. I'll tell you what a Montana advocate for veterans told me. Said this VA's long-standing policy to threaten veterans' constitutional rights who ask their help managing their affairs has been a barrier to veterans to receive help for years. It's time to end it so veterans can reach out for the financial help they need and the mental health they need. I agree, and I don't believe someone who has served this country needs a fiduciary to have to hire a lawyer to go back to court to get their Second Amendment rights. I yield back to Senator Kennedy.
Madam President, there's 16 million veterans in our country. Sometimes some of them need help managing their financial affairs. When they do, they go to the Veterans Administration, and the Veterans Administration appoints a fiduciary to help that veteran manage his or her financial affairs. But under current VA policy, can we have order, Madam President? Under current VA policy, get this, under current VA policy, if a veteran who defended this country has to go to the VA and ask for help managing his or her financial affairs, the VA automatically reports that veteran to the FBI's National Instant Criminal Background Check System, we call it NICS, and that veteran loses his firearm. He loses his firearm automatically. No due process. No questions asked. This decision has not been made by a judge. It's being made by a bureaucrat. All our amendment would do would be to say the VA, just because you've asked for help with your money, cannot automatically take away your firearm or report you to NICS unless a judge has ruled that that veteran is a danger to himself or to others. Now, I understand this is America. You can believe what you want. There's some people that wish we didn't have a second amendment. I get that, but we do. And I agree with Senator Murphy. We both agree on this. Chris believes that love is the answer, and I do too. But I own a handgun just in case, and that's my right. And every veteran has that right. And we shouldn't take away a person's gun without a judge, not a bureaucrat at the VA, ruling that person mentally incompetent.